Welcome to RESPRO Academy audio lessons. Today's lesson greetings and introductions. Welcome back. If you watched the previous episode, you will remember that Rahul and Shalini met for the first time. We learned three simple expressions. Rahul, this is Shalini. Have you met Shalini? This is Shalini. Today, we are continuing the same story and learning two more expressions that will make your introductions sound even more natural. Let's continue. Expression 4. Guys, this is Shalini. So, Rahul and Shalini have met. A little later, they walk over to a group of friends. The friends are chatting and laughing. Now, Shalini is new to the group. How can Rahul introduce her to everyone at once? He can simply say, Guys, this is Shalini. That's an easy and friendly way to introduce one person to several people. You will hear this expression all the time among friends, classmates, and colleagues. Expression number 5. I want you to meet someone. Let's continue the story. The next day, Rahul is talking to his friend Veena. Rahul wants Veena to meet Shalini. Instead of introducing Shalini immediately, he says, Veena, I want you to meet someone. Now, Veena becomes curious. Who is Rahul talking about? Then Rahul says, This is Shalini. This expression makes the introduction feel warmer and more personal. It's a great way to introduce someone special. Let's quickly review today's expressions. First one, guys, this is Shalini. Second one, I want you to meet someone. Simple expressions, which is used in real life situations, and easy English you can start using today. And that's the end of our introduction series. Over the last two episodes, you have learned 5 useful ways to introduce people in English. The next time you are with friends, classmates, colleagues, or family members, try using these expressions and see how natural your English sounds.
Now, here's a quick challenge for you. Imagine you're introducing your friend to someone for the very first time. Which expression would you use? Tell me your answer in the comments. I love to hear from you. And remember, learning English isn't about memorizing rules. It's about using English in real life situation, one conversation at a time. So the next time you meet someone new, try one of these expressions and speak with confidence. Thank you. Thanks for learning with me, and I shall see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep practicing and keep speaking English. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share it with others, and leave a comment below. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated on our future lessons.